Hey guys, Mrs. Shelton here. Can't believe that I'm already making our video for our weekly agenda for week number 4. I guess the saying is true. Time flies when you're having fun. I hope you all are having fun and enjoying what we have been doing so far in our environmental science course. And I would like to share with you what the expectation is for the upcoming week. You will notice that there is a new tab that is highlighted here for you. Actually, should be 2 tabs. The first of which is a Genius Hour tab. If you click on that Genius Hour, there is an activity that I would like you to complete entitled Top Environmental Issues. All you're going to have to do is click on this link and complete the activity and submit it. When you're finished with that, you then are going to come down to biodiversity. And when you click on biodiversity, there are 2 activities we are going to be focusing on this week. The first of which is our introduction to biodiversity. The introductory activity to biodiversity is going to ask that before you actually begin, that you complete a reading. So you're going to want to read the selection from CK 12. And then you're also going to need to watch this video about why biodiversity is so important. When finished with that, I would like you to navigate to activity 1. Activity 1 is an activity all about the island of conservation. Below it, you will find some slides that will help you with the activity. When you're finished, please submit that. And the last item on our agenda for this week involves the threats to biodiversity. So once you've completed the introduction, you've learned a little bit about what biodiversity is, then I want you to begin exploring the different threats that are associated with biodiversity. You'll notice that I have provided a student resource for you here that gives you just a little bit of information about some of the threats. Then I'm going to ask you to read this story entitled The Truax, and I'd like you to watch the movie The Lorax. You can rent this from any site that you can find it at. It could be the new version, the old version, doesn't matter to me. But essentially what I'd like you to do is to compare the movie The Lorax versus this story of The Truax by Terry Burkett. So again, for this week, you are working on the first activity in Genius Hour, which is the Top Environmental Issues assignment. Then you are navigating to biodiversity and completing the introduction to biodiversity activity, followed by the threats to biodiversity, which includes you watching the movie The Lorax and reading this short story about the Truax and completing this infographic project. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Hope all is well. See you soon. Bye-bye.